go. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shagun, aka David, and today I'm going to be giving you tips on how to work from home. I get up in the morning, brush my teeth, have my bath, eat my breakfast, and dress up as if I'm actually going to work. Because sometimes you might be on a video conference, a last minute video conference. So you want to make sure you appear smart and ready to go for the day. That's how I start my day. Of course, you don't have to dress overly cute like me, like now. You could be as casual as possible, but make sure you are in work mood, as that is very important. What I also do is I have a particular setup that's similar to work environment. So I don't have the 2-monitor split screen. I should get one of that. Okay, yeah, but I'm quite comfortable with using the laptop alone. Yeah, so also make sure your setup is as comfortable as possible. Get yourself an office chair that you can sit and put your back straight as much as possible. So also it's easy to get tempted and put on your TV, or just you think you can multitask. You have Netflix on the other side of the screen and you have your work in front of you. That can be counterproductive. Make sure when you're at work, you actually are at work. Make sure you're focused and put your effort to it, because you've been paid to do that. Yeah, because it's quite easy to micro focus on what you're doing throughout the day and not forget about your surroundings. So make sure you every now and then just pick up your phone and call one of your colleagues and have a chit chat, not for a long time. Also, another thing is make sure you move around. Make sure you take a break. Maybe every 20 minutes, wherever you are, stand up, walk about in your building. If you want to just walk out of the building, walk like 5 minutes, walk back. Because you want to make sure your body is active, you're keeping your legs and your muscles all active. So make sure your movement while working from home is not limited by your surrounding. Make sure you are keeping yourself busy. There are other tools that allows employee and employer to be able to interact easily whilst working remotely. One of them is using Skype for business. You can use Zoom for business. You can use Slack. So if you have any question for me on working from home tips, please drop it down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell sign to get notified on my next video arrival. And on to the next video.